Today, we're going to make spaghetti and meatballs, keto style. First, we're gonna need a bowl. Take 3 eggs. Take 4 minced garlic. A tablespoon salt. One teaspoon pepper. And 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning. Now we're going to take onions, 1 medium-sized minced onion. Now we're going to take 1.5 cups pork rinds, mashed. Lastly, 2 cups Parmesan. Now onto the meat. Now we're going to grab 2 pounds of sausage and 2 pounds of ground beef. Now we are going to mix it with our hands. We're going to take the meat and make them into balls. We are going to put the meatballs in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Also, you can put, instead of making the balls for the meatballs, you can make a scramble like this. We are going to take our squash that we cooked for 45 minutes in the oven, 350 degrees. We are going to scrape it with a fork. Right, now that the meatballs are